So now let's see how we can use the find and replace feature inside of Google Sheets. So in order to work around with find and replace feature, I'm going to go around over here on to edit, and here you can see find and replace is an option. So once you click on this, a new dialog box opens up, and over here I can find and replace things. So let's say, for example, I want to replace, let's say, for example, the word we with the word we, you right here. So I'm going to search for we right here, and then I want to replace it with we, you right here. So just like this. So over here you can see that it says search all seats right here. So all of the seats will be replaced, or you can select this seat or a specific range of the seat over here as well. So you can select out the range of the seat right here as well and press OK. So now I selected the range, and here you can see that I can also specifically match the case right here. So if the capital is not there in we, then it won't be replaced. But I'm just going to go around and then replace all, and now you can see that the word we has been replaced with we, you right there. And similarly, I want to go around with PlayStation right here, PlayStation, just like this. So let's just go around and work around with small letter right here. So in this case, I want to, let's say, match case. So if I were to click on replace all, it does not replace anything. That is because the PlayStation right here, there is no word right here with the small PlayStation. So I'm just going to go around and then work around with capital right here, and I'm going to say PlayStation, let's say 4, replace all, and now you can see all of them has been replaced out. So you can select the specific range right here. You can also work around with matching of entire cell content. So let's say, for example, I want to find the word play right here, and if I were to go around and say I'm going to type in game, replace all, it has replaced play with game right here. But if I were to select match entire cell content, then if I were to type in game right here, let me just type in game and replace it with play and replace all, it does not replace anything because it has not found out anything with just the word game on it. So I'm just going to disable this, and if I were to replace it, now you can see that there's play right here, just like this. So play has been replaced out right here. So I'm just going to go around right here. So the word, the Playboy right here, maybe I want to replace Playboy right here with Game Boy. So I'm just going to say Game Boy right here, replace all, and there you go. So you can see that you can also search using expressions right here. You can search within formulas as well. So there's a lot of details provided to you just like that. And that is how you can use the find and replace feature inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.